Thank you for your interest in the Client Dispute Manager software, the complete business in a box. Now, before I get you started, I want to take you down this page right here and show you a little bit about the software. We got automated features right here. We got the dispute engine. This tells you a little bit about all the features that the software has. We also have billing and payment. It talks about the different type of billing and payment functions that the software has. The 24-hour support, the best support around the country. We have it right here in the Client Dispute Manager. It also talks about how you can earn an extra stream of income by signing up with third-party companies. It also talks about our community and all of the stuff that we offer for our community when you become a member of the Client Dispute Manager. And if you scroll down more, here's what some other people are saying, some happy customers, on what they are saying about the Client Dispute Manager. Now, all you have to do is go right here, put your full name in, your email, your phone number, and how did you hear about us. Now, once you click submit, you will be taken to the registration page. And on that registration page, you fill out the registration page, and this is where you sign up for the 30-day free trial, no credit card required, of the Client Dispute Manager. You get an absolutely 30-day free trial, test drive the software, and see how you like it. And I hope you become a family member one day. Take care.